Welcome to Airborne Lab's SnowMaster 1.3 RFL model CO2 snow generator kit for the performance of ISBT NVR, NVOR, and sensory testing on liquid CO2. Model RFL is designed specifically for use with low-pressure refrigerated liquid vessels only. Model HPC is designed specifically for use with high-pressure, non-refrigerated liquid cylinders only. Before sampling, review the MSDS information on liquid CO2. Sampling must be performed in a well-ventilated area by personnel trained in handling pressurized cryogenic gases. Safety glasses, cryogenic safety gloves, and other necessary equipment must be worn. Detach the NVR can's lid and store it in a clean storage pouch. Carefully inspect the mirror finish NVR can assembly for internal cleanliness, then determine its empty weight or tear weight using a top loader balance. Record the empty can weight, liquid CO2 system pressure, and all sample ID data on the attached ID tag. Prior to sampling, inspect the SnowMaster RFL head assembly for port cleanliness, spring clip security, and inlet port thread integrity. Securely twist the NVR can assembly onto the spring-loaded clamps on the SnowMaster's head unit. If sampling a tank truck or other vessels that require a flexible transfer line, insert the entire SnowMaster unit into a VC VersaPad support stand or equivalent secure support stand. When using a flexible transfer line assembly, for example the SPRA 500 ST6 SPVA, to connect the SnowMaster to a closed liquid CO2 source valve, first inspect it for cleanliness, thread damage, and fitting tightness. Next, connect the SPRA 500 end of this transfer line assembly to the closed liquid CO2 source valve via an appropriate mating fitting. Then attach the SPVA purge valve end to the SnowMaster's inlet adapter pipe. Ensure the purge port valve is pointed away from you and all other equipment. It is recommended to orient the purge port outlet at about 45-degree angle toward the ground. Ensure the snow valve is closed, then open the transfer line purge valve. Then carefully open the liquid CO2 source valve and allow the transfer line to vigorously purge for about 1 minute. The SnowMaster will not fill during this brief purging process as the snow valve is closed. With the liquid CO2 source valve open, close the purge valve, then immediately open the snow valve, which will divert the liquid CO2 stream into the SnowMaster and begin the orifice-controlled, rapid can chilling snow filling process. During the initial can chilling phase, snow should vigorously vent from the SnowMaster. Start a DT5 timer at this point and allow about 1.5 minutes for NVR can filling to occur. Then venting will subside and quiet down as the cool can allows snow to be efficiently trapped and accumulate. After about 1.5 minutes or 3 minutes maximum of snow filling, or if snow venting begins to vigorously reappear again, immediately reopen purge valve. Next, shut off the liquid CO2 source valve and allow the transfer line to completely depressurize through the purge valve. Once the transfer line depressurization is complete, detach the snow-filled NVR can and quickly relay the filled can on a top loader balance. If a top loader balance is not immediately accessible, reclip on the can's lid when transferring to a top loader balance. Ensure that the lid is removed before reweighing the snow-filled can. Determine the sample weight by subtracting the empty can weight from the filled can weight. Record the sample weight value on the ID tag. A minimum sample weight of 200 grams is desired. Either reclip the NVR can's lid and allow the snow charge to completely sublime or evaporate in a secure, well-ventilated area. This will typically take a few hours, or place the can under an IR heat lamp to expedite snow sublimation, then reclip the lid. Detach the transfer line assembly, close the purge valve and snow valve, cap the ends of all ports, and dry off any surface moisture. Store the SnowMaster and all sampling hardware in a secure, clean container. Do not allow the transfer line to contact the ground or contamination surface at any time. Either reclip the NVR can's lid and allow the snow charge to completely sublime or evaporate in a secure, well-ventilated area. This will typically take a few hours, or place the can under an IR heat lamp to expedite snow sublimation, then reclip the lid. After complete snow sublimation, carefully inspect the NVR can's shiny interior for evidence of trapped particulates, oil, or grease. Note these observations on the ID tag, then immediately reclip the lid on the NVR can. Do not repackage and ship an NVR can still containing snow. This is dangerous and illegal. Ensure that all needed sample ID information is entered onto both the sample ID tag and the analysis authorization form. When sample shipping is appropriate, repackage the NVR can with the attached lid and any other necessary equipment into the supplied shipping case. Affix the security tags to the lip rings on the shipping case. Record the numbers on these tags. Insert all completed shipping paperwork describing the enclosed contents as non-hazardous sample of no commercial value into a courier-provided document pouch. Securely affix this pouch to the shipping case's handle. Properly ship this non-hazardous sample-containing case to the appropriate analytical testing lab using an express courier service option. Thank you for participating in the SnowMaster 1.3 RFL model CO2 Snow Generator Kit training. Questions may be directed to your instructor or sent to Airborne Labs.